Hey, what's going on, BCS Army? Justin from Blue Collar Survival. Today I will be doing a tag video that was started by Moose's Gear Review. I seen a couple of them on, and I thought I had to jump on this one because this is one that definitely, if you've been watching my channel, know that it's kind of near and dear to me. It is the Pocket Clip Challenge tag, so I'm going to do the good, the bad, and the meh. So let's get started with the good. Before I get started, actually, I want to give a shout out to a new channel. Tucker S. I will put a link down below to his channel. He's a new YouTuber, very young. I believe he's only 13 or 14, but he's getting into the knife reviewing game. Zach's Knife Life is, or Zach's Stuff. Zach's Knife. I'm like mixing channel names. But Zach's Stuff is kind of hooked him up with a few knives to review and stuff, but he is a fellow Minnesotan, so I'd like to give a shout out to Tucker there. So definitely check out his channel and give him a sub. See what you think. All right, so I think we will go ahead. I think we'll start with the good. Why not? So the good. I've got a couple examples for each one, basically. And the good's all going to have one thing in common, I think. All right, so the first one I got is the Civivi Backlash. Well done, pretty simple, nothing fancy. And in pocket. A lot harder to get into a pocket when you're not wearing it. It basically disappears. Good retention on it. Yeah, see, and that little lip there. Easy to get in and out of the pocket. Next one is the Kershaw Shuffle. They've done these deep carry clips on a couple of their knives, but Kershaw will definitely be coming up in the next round for the bad, because they're definitely infamous for really bad pocket clips. If I can get this in the pocket. Struggling. So carries good in the pocket there. I don't think I need to show it in the pocket for all of them. Next, I got the Benchmade Bug Out. Nice deep carry clip. It's got just that little ramp up there. It's a little harder to get in the pocket because it's not ramped up too much, but I like that it's short. It really disappears in the pocket. I'm still going to show it anyway, because it disappears. And kind of an honorable mention too. So this is the Tuya Bruiser, and I actually removed the clip off of this, and I put it in, put this in the Rake P801 satin finish, the blue clip on that, and it goes really nice on this. So honorable mention of that. All right, now for the bad. Let's see where we start. We'll go ahead and start with a Spyderco, I guess. It's a bird, but these pocket clips here, I hate the pocket clips that go around pivots. CRKT also does some like that, and I just hate the ones that go around pivots or the lanyard hole like that. Plus, I am going to put this in pocket just to show how much sticks out on that. I mean, that's a chunk of knife that hangs out of your pocket. So even if you turn it around and put it on the pivot, it's still going to hang out quite a bit just because of the way it's shaped, where it comes up to that apex. Next, this thing on the Kershaw needs work. This is just a hideous clip. Just a chunk of scrap metal flapped on the side of a blade and called it good. How designers figured this was okay, I don't know. I guess to each its own. So that's definitely a bad. A lot of people will agree with me on this one as well. The Kershaw Leak. Doesn't matter which way you put this thing on, it doesn't carry good. I got it right now tip down, which it carries better than tip up. But for a small knife, that's still a pretty decent chunk sticking out of your pocket right there. And this one's kind of an honorable mention bad. It's just something I really don't like when knife companies do, is where they have the cutouts for when you switch it. I'm not a fan of that. It makes your knife feel incomplete. Some companies do offer fillers for that, which is a little nicer, but not a fan of just a big open void on my knife. So those are the bads, and now we'll go ahead with the meh. Ones that, you know, aren't horrible, but they aren't great, but I can deal with. The first one is Ontario. They have this pocket clip on several of their models. I believe the Rats have the same one, but it's not horrible. I hate where the Rat 2, they could move it up like they did here on the Utilitac. But this actually doesn't carry too bad for not being a deep carry. There's not a whole lot of knife that really sticks out. So, you know, that doesn't really bother me. Another one is the steel wheel Modus. And I believe the Cut Jack may also have this exact same clip on it as well. This one's not too bad. And it's very easy to get out of the pocket, but has enough retention that it won't fall out of the pocket. So that's not too horrible. Kind of blends in a little bit. And the final one I have is the Kizer Dukes. This one, it looks like a whole lot of knife will really hang out when you have it in pocket. But all honesty, it's really not too terrible if you straighten it out like it would actually carry in your pocket, because it kind of rotates in towards your outer thigh. So then it's just that tip basically sticks up and the other one starts to kind of roll down. So it does carry fairly decent. So that doesn't bother me. So, all right. So yeah, that's the response to, well, not really a response. I just kind of took it upon myself when I seen it. And I'm going to go ahead and tag Tucker. Why not go ahead and get on your first tag review, buddy? All right, everybody, that's all I got for this. I'd like to thank Moose's Gear Review for the idea on this one. It was definitely a spot-on one that I just had to jump on. All right, guys, it's Justin from Blue Collar Survival. You guys stay safe.